Is Twitter down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Twitter right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with it. As you can see here, I am already on Twitter, and then if you go to latest tweets, if you search for Twitter down, you will see that people are commenting non-stop that it has some issues right now. Twitter on the web seems to be down. So you are not the only one who has problems with Twitter right now. You don't have to worry because they will fix this as soon as possible and you will be able to use Twitter again. If you want to try to fix this problem, you should restart your device, log out, and then log in once again and see if it works. But if it doesn't, you just have to wait until they fix it. So if you do have issues with Twitter right now, you can comment in the comment section down below with your questions, with your thoughts, and I will make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out with your problems. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos and for some more updates about this topic. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.